Hi everybody, how's it going? Today we have problem number 20. So problem number 20, it's about to write a program to calculate the circle area inscribed in an isosceles triangle, then print it on the screen. All right, we have the isosceles triangle, and we have the circle inside it. We have A, same exactly like the another side A. So these two sides A, inscribed, isosceles. The isosceles, the both two sides equal, and we have here the B. It should be here P. Pays. All right, so in case the user insert A and B, which is 20 and 10, the output should be 47.1. We will write the code like this: area equal by multiply B squared divided 4 multiply 2 multiply A minus B divided 2 multiply A plus B. Let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're gonna convert this math into code. Alright, this is our solution of problem number 20. And problem number 20 is calculate the circle area inscribed in isosceles triangle, then bring it on console screen. Alright, here we have a read triangle data. This is the first step procedure or function. It's procedure, alright, void, and we declare variable A by reference, variable B by reference. All of them belong to the float data type. Let's open and see what inside this read triangle data. It's like the previous instance, but we change the name of the procedure. Please insert the triangle side A. We want to take one side of the A because they are isosceles equal. We'll store it, for example, let's say the user insert number 20, store it inside A. And the second question, please insert the triangle B, base B. We'll take the base size and we'll store it inside B. And after that, we create another function. We name it calculate circle area by inscribed isosceles. It's long, but it's descriptive names, and you have to follow these instructions. All right, as I told you before, it takes A and B in its parameter. Let's open it and see how we convert that math and slice into code. All right, float calculate circle area by inscribed isosceles. Take A and B as we said in its parameters. You have const float by equal 3.14. We make it const because we couldn't change the value of the by. It's always 3.14 and some numbers. I don't want to write them right now. Float area equal by multiply open bracket bow B squared divided 4. All these results inside these brackets multiply by, and after that we multiply it with the result inside these brackets, open bracket and also open bracket, to multiply A minus B, close the bracket. Inside these two brackets I didn't do any brackets because the priorities of calculation, will start with the comparator will start with multiplication. As we said, if you have multiplication and minus, comparator will start with multiplication according to priority calculation, and all these results will be divided with these results to multiply A plus B. Also here I didn't do any brackets because the comparator will start with the multiply, and after that we will plus the numbers. So all these results, the final result, all these brackets here, we will multiply it with the previous result that we got it from these brackets plus the by, and after that we will return the area. All these results of this math, it will be stored in area, and we will return area. And here print result, it's like previous lessons. The second area by inscribed isosceles is, we call the area that is stored already inside the results. And here in the main function we define float data type A and B, and read triangle data. We will call this a procedure to read a value from the user through the console screen. After that we will print it, but before we print it we will calculate it, and after that we will print it. So we put the function of calculate circle area by inscribed isosceles inside the parameter of print results. So the compiler will start from here, calculate first, and get the results and print it for us. Let's do run to check it out together. Perfect. Once we did run, the compiler display for us this question. Please insert the triangle side A. Let's say it's 20. Please enter the triangle base B. Let's say it's 10. Perfect. The circle area by inscribed isosceles is 47.1. So that was problem number 20, and how we convert that math into the code. This is the code from a few. Try to write it by yourself again. I will not put for you the source code in the comments or anywhere else because I want you to write by yourself. You have to put your hands in these things. Yeah, it's look easy, simple, but these things, it will train you or prepare you for the advanced things. So that was the lesson of today, problem number 20. See you in problem number 21. Ciao.